Here I am. I am at the entrance point to the Sahara Desert, located at the campus of the University of Colorado at Colorado Springs. The Sahara Desert is a very wonderful landscape, and I'm excited to explore, discover, and share key survival tips when you're in the Saharan Desert. Welcome to Bradley in Nature. As you can see here, the Sahara Desert cactus is at hibernation for the summer, and the taller Saharan cacti, they coated themselves with white powder. Basically what this powder does is it protects it from all of the wild kangaroos and rats that they like to eat the cactus, the apples that grow on the cacti for nutrition. Now I can safely say I've been wandering around this desert for nearly 45 minutes, and it's getting real dangerous. I'm almost to the point of starvation. I'm already dehydrated. I've had to eat the cactus powder to hydrate myself, and there's no sign of civilization anywhere, so I'm gonna have to use my Native American smoke signal. It's dead. It's truly a miracle. Almost to the point of dehydration, almost on the point of collapse in this desert. But luckily, way down here, I found a source of hydration. I think I'm safe to carry on. Next thing I need to do is find shelter. Luckily, the Native American desert people of the Sahara, they leave these signals to show different signs. This sign here, you can see with the pinks and the blues. That's the sign for water. That's where I found the water. Now, as you can see, there's nothing around for me to try to find help. The important thing is to keep my wits and I need to keep my wits, and hopefully I can stick this one out till the daylight comes back. It's about 1:30 a.m. and now's where the Saharan dogs and bears, they really come out. So I need to get out of here quickly. Now I've come across another Native American signal. These two stumps right here, those are good signs. These stumps here, they're covered with the Saharan cacti powder, delicate nutrients right here. And the way the Native Americans, the way they consume the powder, they have a ritual. First, they put these signals near a Christmas tree, and Christmas is a Native American tradition in their culture. Basically, what you're supposed to do is you gather the nectar or the powder, you crumple it up so it's like a fruit, and then they say the best way to consume its powers is to eat it as fast as possible. So here I go. Oh. Delicious. Landscape is very common in the Sahara, and usually the Saharan Indians, they use camel to travel this, but without a camel, the only substitute is the human foot. Best strategy for conquering this sort of landscape is as fast as possible without stopping. And here we go. I made it. I've made it nearly to the edge of this desert. As you can see, there's some of the village tribes. I believe they consider themselves college students. There's a couple there in their natural habitat. Saharan college students. They have no idea I'm here. I'm gonna have to continue quietly. They're very vicious. Finally, I've made it out of the desert. There's a sign of hope, a trail. It's very hard to find these trails in this desert, but I'm very fortunate. As I'm exiting this desert, I would like to advise anyone planning a trip to the Sahara, pack warm, don't bring any water, rely on the cacti powder for hydration, and you'll be in touch with your element. Thank you for watching. This has been Bradley in nature.